Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Audi TTS. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You've got nav and map here, so if we click that forward, that's asking me where I'd like to go. If you click it forward again, the whole screen becomes the display for the sat nav. It's absolutely fantastic. But we want to find a place. So there you go. Where would you like to go? Click on there. So let's see. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Across to the numbers there, you scroll right to the right and select numbers 5, 4. Now we need to go back to letters, so all the way to the left, E, A. That's it. GB Preston, England. So if I just knock the selector back and then navigate or just turn to where I want, where it's highlighted, start route guidance, that's what I want to do, start route guidance.
Being calculated.
That's it. It's a really simple way. I think also you can do it by voice activation. So if I try that, I never find this easy. Route guidance.
No destination entered yet. Your destination, please. Please state addresses in the order: town, street, house number.
Swinton, Horton Lane, 96.
These are your results, including the addresses in United Kingdom. Swinton, Morton, England, or another entry.
So it's Swinton, Manchester. So I turn that down to Swinton, Manchester. Click OK.
The street, or say start route guidance.
Horton Lane,
The house number.
96.
Swinton, Horton Lane, 96. Add stopover now.
It had start route guidance and I want to replace the active destination there, so I just click on that, start route guidance. That's it. You can now navigate to where it all started for me 63 years ago. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.